Hi everyone, Eugene here at Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video tutorial I wanted to show you how you can use the slow and quick editing mode on the LUMIX Lab app when you're shooting with the Panasonic LUMIX camera. I have here in front of me a LUMIX L10, and in order for this to actually work, there is something important to keep in mind. You have to check with the other cameras that you may be using to do this. Currently, the support for this is only for LUMIX L10 and S9. And for LUMIX L10 specifically, we need to make sure that the camera is in video shooting mode and we're shooting above 50p, right, in terms of the actual frame rate. Then we can actually transfer that file to the app via the LUMIX Lab app, and then we can do our editing there. Intuitively, you may think, I'm going to set the camera to slow and quick directly. So just to basically highlight what I'm talking about, if we switch back to the back of the camera here, I can show you basically this is the shooting mode dial, and it has three options. We have photo, video, and S&Q, which is slow and quick. So to make this happen, please make sure you are on the same option as I am, which is video, and that you're actually shooting higher than 50p. And in my case, I am in 4K 100p. And in terms of the actual file format, we're talking about MP4 Lite, which is great because the compression is a little bit higher, files are going to be a little bit smaller, and then the transferring will also work a little bit better. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take a quick video in this format. Then we're going to swap to the phone so you can see exactly what we need to do in the app to edit it and how we can export it for posting to our channels. So pretty straightforward. Let's take a video. I'm just going to pretend I'm doing like this neat pan here. There we go. Stop that. Again, just a couple seconds. That's okay. But what if I want to play that back in slow motion to have that really nice cinematic effect? So all I need to do is go into my app. So if you don't already have the app, please download Panasonic LUMIX Lab. You can do a lot of different things, and we actually have a few different videos here on the channel to help you set it up and then use it. Once we open the app, we need to make sure that we are connected to our camera. In my case, I'm connected to the L10 here via Bluetooth, and to make the transfer possible, all I need to do is press this icon here with transfer photo and video. I'm going to select that, and then we're going to be prompted with an option to join the camera's Wi-Fi connection. We're going to do that now. Give it a couple seconds. There we go. Camera goes into remote control mode. The lens will retract, and we can actually see our video here. So I'm going to select the video. We can even play it back if we want to, but for now I know that that's the video because I started from the left, move to the right. Let's just tick that and then select transfer. Within a few seconds, this is going to get transferred to my phone. We get this prompt that the transfer is complete. We can go back from this menu again, and then head back to the gallery. And this is where you're going to find your video. Tap on that. Next, go to the edit over here on the video icon. And then what you're going to notice, besides just the possibility of trimming the beginning and the end, on the top right here, we have S and Q. I'm going to select that. And we actually, as you'll see here, we have some different options. The default one is to just select, if you want to make this slower, let's just say we want to make 2 times slow. We just simply select that, and we actually have quite a lot of variation, right? So we can play with all of these different options that we have here. If you want to have a little bit more of a dynamic video, let's say you want to combine slow and quick, you can use any of these curves, and you can pretty much tell if you're looking at them. The first one is a slow to fast. We have fast to slow. So you can play around with all of these presets, but what you can also do is after you select any of them, you can go and tweak them exactly how you want that video to move. In my case, I just want to make this into a slow-mo video. It's not that long. So we're going to go all the way to 5 times slower. And then we can click play. And you can hopefully see it's moving really nice and slow. This is excellent for that B-roll. It's really, really cool effect that you can do directly in camera and edit on your app. All right, so I hope this was helpful. I hope you find this valuable. I hope it's gonna really help your productions. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.